Navigating the world of breastfeeding as a new mom can feel overwhelming, but you're not alone. Here we share valuable tips to help you have a smooth and successful breastfeeding experience from day one. One of the first things to focus on is positioning. Proper positioning can make a significant difference in your breastfeeding journey. Ensure your baby is tummy to tummy with you and their nose is aligned with your nipple. This alignment helps your baby latch more effectively and comfortably. A good latch is crucial for successful breastfeeding. To achieve this, wait for your baby to open their mouth wide, then bring them to your breast. Their lips should be flanged outward, and you should feel a gentle tugging sensation. If you experience pain, gently break the suction and try again. Breastfeeding comes with its own set of challenges, such as sore nipples and engorgement. To alleviate soreness, apply lanolin cream or breast milk to the affected area. For engorgement, try warm compresses before feeding and cold compresses afterward to reduce swelling. Remember, it's okay to seek help. Lactation consultants and support groups can offer guidance and reassurance. They can help you troubleshoot issues and provide emotional support. With these tips, you can approach breastfeeding with confidence. Remember, every mom's journey is unique, and finding what works best for you and your baby is key.